case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the entanglement of corporate lawsuits, the case of Torrington Co. versus Yost presented an interesting twist. The pivotal dispute revolved around Yost's alleged use of trade secrets from Torrington, his former employer, while working for INA, a direct competitor. This purported breach of a confidentiality agreement led Torrington, in a classic David versus Goliath scenario, to file a lawsuit against Yost. Yost decided to fight back by applying an unexpected legal stratagem. He argued that INA, his current employer, should be legally entangled in the case as another defendant. This presented a problem since legality dictates that both INA and Torrington, as Delaware corporations, share a common jurisdiction, nullifying the diversity regulation. Yost's crafty argument led the court to make a thoughtful judgment. They agreed that INA would be significantly impacted if an injunction was put in place, effectively blocking Yost from continuing in his position. They ruled that INA indeed was an indispensable party to the proceedings, and that their inclusion would destroy the essential requirement of diversity jurisdiction. This conclusion forced the court to delve into the overlooked Rule 19(b), which guides the decision whether a case should proceed or be dismissed in such cases. After considering the lack of possible compensation for Torrington if INA were not part of the proceedings, and evaluating other factors, the court veered towards a radical judgment. In an unforeseen turn of events, the court issued an order dismissing Torrington's case against Yost entirely. Under the lesser-known Rule 19, they asserted that the only way for Torrington to continue its legal quest was by adding INA as a party. Failing this, Torrington's bid for justice would stumble over its inability to provide substantial evidence of diversity jurisdiction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class